estamos. Ay, Dios mío. Increíble. Vaya espalda tiene, tío. Ahí está mi carro. Conducir bien, conducir decente. Bueno, se lleva bien, pero... a ver. Derrapar. Bueno. ¿Cómo apago la radio? ¿No GTA? No. Voy a casa. Pues voy a casa. Soy nena. Soy nena. Yo soy neno. Cuidado. Increíble lo que digo, ¿no? Amazing, impresionante.
Hey, it's Eli. Congrats on your first day as part of the workforce. I wanted to let you know the bank term.
Queda 1 kilómetro. Oh, me va.
I'm gonna lose the deal. I guess Eli's Real Estate Investment Trust LLC remains a 16 space parking lot. I mean, for now, right? Who knows? Anyway, can't wait to hear about your day.
Hey, it's Kevin.
Hey, yo.
Good news. I talked to my supplier at the club. She said if I DJ for her next Tuesday, she'll
Hey,
become my friend at the hardware store, who, in exchange, will fix the bathroom plumbing for us. Finally, we can stop waiting for the landlord to get off his ass. Also, I'm making brunch to celebrate your first day on the job. Don't be late.
Ese rap es tan extraño, tío. ¿Por qué? Un choque. Estaba mirando que sonaba ahí fuera, pero era el juego. A ver, madre mía, le di el al cuadrado. Estoy trolling. Aquí no. Aquí no, bobo. Cuidado, cuidado. Vámonos. ¿Es esto que tiene sonido? ¿Puede ser? No.
Oh, everything smells amazing, Kev.
You know what would make it smell even better?
Hey man, if you want a $300 waffle maker, you can buy with the exposure the idols pay you in. Don't expect us to chip in.
I've told you before, the idols are trying to build a post-capitalist society where money is not a concept.
Yeah? Then why don't you go run off and join the company?
I'm into showering. Are you gonna help me get the waffle maker or not?
As an investor, I don't like wasting money.
You're wearing a fucking bow tie.
Okay, I will throw in 20 bucks for a waffle.
Nina?
Good for 10?
Who helped you move your forged paintings last month?
Fine, 15.
What sort of waffle maker can I get for 35 bucks?
Presumably one that makes fucking waffles?
Hey, the wage slave is back.
How was your first day? Were the other mercenaries nice to you?
You know, as far as hired killers go, I'd give them 7.
You look like you could use a mimosa.
Thanks, Eli.
Seriously, how's the job?
Se está hecho el armario,
It's the murder business. Fundamentals don't change, just the uniform.
I can tell you love it.
Okay. I don't have to love it, I have to pay my student loans.
Phew, I'm in.
So I'm guessing that means the pay's good.
It's supposed to be. Got stepped on my bonus today.
Dude, what the fuck?
I played a little fast and loose on the job, and, well, my CEO wasn't a fan.
You gotta be kidding me.
Swear to God, this lady walked right up to set of an 80s action movie. I was half expecting her to call me Rook and threaten to take my badge.
Are we gonna make rent?
We'll make rent. We just gotta be a little more creative.
Last time we got creative, I got stabbed 3 times.
Hey, it would have been 4 times if Nina and I hadn't showed up.
It would have been 0 times if you were on time.
This is true. Look, this is really not a big deal. We just knock off a payday loan place. No one gives a shit if people rob those bastards.
You have a job now. You could actually just take the loan.
Eli, don't
Oye,
do
ahí.
business with morally bankrupt companies.
You work for Marshall.
Brunch is a time for friends and mimosas, not debates on morality.
All right.
Man, this is really fucking good, Kev.
Thanks. I was worried I added too much pepper.
No, seriously, this is perfect. The only way this could be better is if you put on a fucking shirt.
Dinner and a show, baby.
Oh, please.
Qué gracioso. A tope.
Okay, who's ready for some crime?
And you know how we should celebrate afterwards.
Karaoke.
Yes!
Karaoke. Karaoke. Voy por aquí. Oh, claro que sí.
So, Nina, we taking your project car?
Fuck no, I'm not risking my baby over rent.
A ver, nena.
Cars from down the street.
Me dijo.
Just take that yellow one.
Roba el coche. Vale, empezamos bien. Oye, ¿me puedo quitarle las gafas a este señor? Espérate. Creo que no, ¿no? A ver, mapa, estilo. No, ¿dónde es? Conjunto. Hostia, si tengo cositas nuevas, fíjate. Ah, increíble. Traje aéreo. ¿Qué dice? No, no voy a llevar el traje aéreo, no. Traje aéreo, ¿qué pasa ahí con traje aéreo? ¿Quieres hostias? Vale. A ver, cabeza. Ahí, que se... Ahí. Aprovechar de mirar que hay aquí. Ah, aquí va. Venga, vamos. Hostia, a ver el teléfono que hay. A ver el mapa. Wow. Bueno, es muy grande. Habilidades, trucos. Pelea con el jefe, muñeco de trapo, extensión. Ah, esto nada, esto nada. Abilities, nada. Bueno, ¿qué? Ojo. Robamos coche. Ah, para mí.
Kev, you case this place. What are we looking at?
One guard out front and the owner at the till. He's a real scuzzbag. I want some king of dog.
Y se conduce súper raro, tío. Pero
Fuck
bien.
that guy.
Súper raro, pero bien. Creo que está muy bajo. Espérate. Está muy bajo el sonido del coche. Dios. Ah, qué sonido para todo aquí. Sonido de efectos. Tanto no, animal. 82. Voces bien, música bien. Principal. Ah, igual es el principal también. Está bien bajito. A ver. Que así no escucho el coche. A mí me gusta escuchar el rugimiento del coche. Música silenciada. Avanzado. Mezcla de sonido. Radio. Efecto de vehículo. Sí. 78. 77. Ah, pero estos son... ¿Pero música con PRF con ahí? No.
Almost there. Let's get psyched.
Oh no, not this crap again.
Quiero escuchar el coche por lo menos.
Don't yuck someone's yum.
Tú sabes. Bueno, sí. El juego no da mucho de sí, ¿eh? Pero bueno. Manía, tío. Le doy el cuadrado para frenar. Sí. Puto X, coño. Puto X.
That's right. Be your own boss.
One of these days, I'm gonna get you to listen to music in the car.
Roger McGillicuddy speaks the music of my soul.
You are a different kind of cat, Eli.
What can I say?
Se
The
viene.
world is full of uninteresting people, and I'm not going to be one of them. You got one of those for me?
You really want one after last time?
I am not the first person to accidentally shoot a friend by dropping a loaded... Yeah, okay, I don't...
Good call. Showtime.
So I made them watch while I broke their dad's...
Boom.
Shit.
Walk away, or the phrase dead-end job gets literal.
Me va a per también. Ojo, Xavi.
I don't have much. We don't want your money, just his. Get out of here.
You done fucked up.
I've been getting that a lot lately. Where's the safe?
If you're lucky, the cops will get to you before my people.
Toma.
Nice left.
Been practicing.
I can tell.
Safe's back here. This guy had his password be a bunch of fives.
Pick it up, Eli.
I'm just saying, he could have at least made his work for it.
Same plan as last time. Eli Kev, pretend traffic laws matter and get the money home. Neen and I will split up and give the cops the runaround.
Cool, let me get the McGillicuddy.
No!
Try to keep up this time.
Yeah, yeah. See you at the switch.
Cambio de coche, cuidado. Ahora igual son demasiados los coches, ¿no? Es que no tiene punto intermedio, tío. Jolín.
Time to beat it before the cops show up. Life is full of adversity and challenges. But
Es que el mío no suena, tío. Igual es porque está hablando, puede ser.
Monitoring
Top.
the police scanner. They just responded to the call. Cops are now en route to the payday place. Sounds like they're out in force.
Que suena súper raro, tío. Suena súper bajito. Los choques... Es que no tiene sentido. No tiene sentido eso, tío. Algo dice aquí, algo toque aquí que no... Restablecer. Bueno, aún así se escucha raro, ¿eh? Qué
crap.
bajito.
Bad time for a train.
Mierda. Hay que bajarlo un poco. Si no se me escucha a mí. Es súper raro también te digo, pero bueno. Es que silenciada no. A ver. Escucho la radio de los otros coches, imagínate. Creo que es el juego, también te digo. Tiene sus cositas. Pero yo me lo voy a pasar con Xavi. Es aquí, ¿no? ¿Está bug la misión o qué? ¿Por qué me manda aquí? Toma. Pues este de aquí. No, este no es. Este no es. Lul. Está bug la misión. Estoy en el punto. ¿Dónde está el coche de cambio? A ver. Poder iniciar. No sé, igual está bug, tío. Súper extraños. ¿Te imaginas que esta mujer el juego?
Time to beat it before the cops show up.
Life is full of adversity and challenges.
Me jodería,
Fuck
¿verdad?
no.
I'm monitoring the police scanner. They're just responding to the call.
Me jodería bastante, la verdad.
Cops are now en route to the payday place. Sounds like they're out in force.
Crap. Bad time for a train.
Ay. Vamos.
Shit. Guys, I got cops on my ass. Nina, don't wait for me. I gotta lose these guys.
Try sideswiping them. It always works for me. Just let them get alongside you, and then bam, send them into a ditch.
Puede que ahora esté bien, Ojo. Ah, eso es verdad. Esto me acuerdo del otro.
Not going fast enough to do any
Hit them when
damage.
they're right up next to you. It really gets them flying. Remember to keep your speed up.
No veo, no veo.
I'm going too slow.
Ahora sí,
You'll do more damage
Gotta
the
speed
faster
up.
you go.
Me jodes, tío.
Ha! Took care of them. How's everybody else?
Eli and I
Don't
made it
go
home
to
with
you.
the money.
Nina, where you at?
Just changed cars and headed home.
Good. Headed to my switch car now.
It was safe and sound at the junkyard a minute ago.
That's pretty deep in Pantero's territory.
Necesito un
Did you tell
coche.
your gang you did that?
Are you kidding me? If Sergio knew we were running a job on his turf, he would have taken a 90% cut.
La grúa, la grúa.
90%? Good God.
Toma.
The man's either a monster or a capitalist genius.
No tiene, ¿no? Ah, sí que tiene oro. Ay. Bueno, hay que reiniciar misión solamente cuando pase eso. No pasa nada. Con huevo. Eso es un problema. Subida de nivel. Ha subido de nivel con habilidad para usar en combate. Ligeramente impulsado de arriba. A ver. Abilities. No, creo que voy a llevar. Con el tiempo, digo yo, ¿no? Bomba va. Bajamos.
What the fuck did you assholes do to my getaway car?
Ain't your car if it's on our turf. Now you're gonna pay for parking.
Light work? I needed that fucking car.
Vamos a subir.
No one pulls a job here without Sergio.
I don't have time for this shit today. Things I do. Pay my
Venga, vamos.
problem. Those Panteros scrapped my switch car.
Hey, what?
Bigger problem. The police picked up that firefight at the junkyard. They're heading your way.
Grab a bike and head off-road. I'll pick you up in the
Súper
desert.
raro, cuando mueves así la cámara, mira.
Sounds like no karaoke tonight.
En fin.
Every fucking time, man.
En fin.
I'm on my way. There's a trail that goes between the mesas. I'll meet you on the other side.
Doble mortal hacia atrás, ¿qué dices?
Got it.
Do I want to know what happened to the Panteros who stripped your car? I
Sorry, Nina. Self-defense.
Fuck, I didn't want that to happen. Let's hope
Qué
Sergio
bien,
never
lol.
finds out it was us.
Míralos. Ah, increíble Shaggy, increíble. Huyendo de la policía,
Green
tío.
clear yet?
Not at all. I've got cops up the ass.
I'll pick you up on the other
Ese-
side of the bridge.
Ahí vienen, ahí vienen. Ahí vienen. Dicen. Ojo.
Well, shit.
Down on the ground!
Y a chuparla.
You called for a ride?
You said you didn't want to risk your car.
I said I didn't want to risk it for rent. I'd risk anything for you, dummies.
Qué bonito. Tenía que poner a Toretto, tío, en vez de a
So,
Shaggy.
is this how it's gonna be every time we have to pay rent?
I thought that went great. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can go back to running my old side hustles for extra cash? Don't worry. We'll figure it out. This town is full of opportunities, if you know where to look.
Welcome to Santo Ileso.